From white sandy beaches to gorgeous panoramic views from the top of mountains, islands sure are beautiful. Whether it's a car ride along the coast while you enjoy a warm breeze, or you want to absorb the beautiful rays of a tropical sun, islands have long been a favorite travel destination for many. And though there are countless beautiful islands to choose from, we will attempt to narrow the list to the 10 most beautiful islands in the world. Number 10. Bora Bora. Nestled within the crystalline waters of French Polynesia, Bora Bora is known for its overwater bungalows and postcard-perfect scenery. For honeymooners and luxury travelers alike, it's a dream destination. With its stunning lagoon, it offers opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, and paddleboarding amidst colorful coral reefs and exotic marine life. Bora Bora is the remnant of an extinct volcano with Mount Atamanu rising majestically at its center, which provides a breathtaking backdrop of the island's beauty. Number 9. Santorini. A jewel in the crown of the Greek Cyclades is Santorini. Famous for its dramatic cliffs, stunning sunsets, and charming villages, Santorini is a destination that captures the hearts of travelers from around the world. Its iconic caldera, formed by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, is one of its main attractions. Visitors can explore the cliffside towns of Fira and Ia or relax on the island's unique black sand beaches. Wine lovers will be happy to know that Santorini's volcanic soil produces some of the world's most delicious wine varieties and can embark on tasting tours at local wineries dotted across the island. Number 8. Maldives. Maldives is a tropical paradise nestled in the Indian Ocean. With its overwater villas, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs, the Maldives is a haven for romance and relaxation. The most beloved attraction here is its unparalleled underwater beauty. Visitors can snorkel or dive to see gorgeous colorful coral gardens that include sea turtles, reef sharks, and manta rays. The Maldives is the flattest country in the world, with no point on any of its islands rising more than 2.4 meters above sea level. This unique geography allows for uninterrupted panoramic views of the horizon, making it an ideal destination for sunset watching. Number 7. Maui. The second largest island in the Hawaiian archipelago is the verdant paradise of Maui. With its diverse landscapes, pristine beaches, and rich cultural heritage, Maui offers something for every type of traveler. The Road to Hana is its main attraction, which provides a scenic drive that winds along the island's rugged coastline. You can enjoy passing by the lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and hidden beaches. Maui is home to Haleakala National Park, where visitors can witness the sunrise from the summit of Haleakala volcano, standing over 10,000 feet above sea level. The park is also a hotspot for hiking, stargazing, and birdwatching. Number 6. Seychelles. The archipelago of Seychelles is scattered like pearls in the Indian Ocean. With its secluded beaches, lush jungles, and unique flora and fauna, Seychelles is a true tropical paradise. It offers stunning beaches including Onze Lazio and Onze Zorzarjan, which are renowned for their powder white sands and crystal clear waters. It's ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Seychelles is home to endemic Coco de Mer palm tree, which produces the largest seed in the plant kingdom. This iconic seed, shaped like a female torso, is considered a symbol of the island's natural beauty and is protected by conservation efforts. Number 5. Fiji. Fiji is a South Pacific paradise known for its warm hospitality and vibrant culture. With its palm-fringed beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant coral reefs, Fiji offers a true island escape. Home to many underwater wonders, it offers plenty of beauty to explore while snorkeling or diving into its colorful coral reefs. Visitors can embark on a glass-bottom boat tour to discover the beauty beneath the waves. Fiji is home to over 300 islands, each with its own unique charm and character. From the bustling markets of Suva to the remote islands of the Yasawa group, there's something for every type of traveler to discover in Fiji. Number 4. Palawan. Palawan is an island province in the Philippines known for its dramatic landscapes and rich biodiversity. With its hidden lagoons and crystal clear waters and towering limestone cliffs, Palawan is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The main attraction is the Puerto Princesa subterranean river, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Visitors can explore this underground river system by boat, marveling at its spectacular limestone formations and diverse ecosystem. Palawan is often referred to as the last frontier of the Philippines due to its rugged and undeveloped landscapes. The island's remote wilderness is home to a variety of rare and endangered species, including the Philippine mouse deer and the Palawan peacock pheasant. Number 3. Whitsunday Islands. A tropical paradise located off the coast of Queensland, Australia are the Whitsunday Islands. With its pristine beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and stunning natural scenery, the Whitsundays offer an unforgettable island experience. Whitehaven Beach, famous for its pure silica sand and crystal clear waters, is the main attraction. Visitors can relax on the beach, swim in the turquoise waters, or hike to Hill Inlet for panoramic views of the surrounding islands. The Whitsunday Islands are part of the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, the largest coral reef system in the world. Snorkelers and divers can explore the colorful coral gardens and encounter a diverse array of marine life, including tropical fish, sea turtles, and reef sharks. Number 2. Kawaii. The guarding Isle of Kawaii is the oldest and northernmost island in the Hawaiian archipelago. With its rugged coastlines, lush rainforests, and dramatic landscapes, Kawaii is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. The Napali coast is the main attraction, offering a breathtaking stretch of coastline characterized by towering sea cliffs, lush valleys, and cascading waterfalls. Visitors can explore the coast by boat, helicopter, or on foot via the Kalalau Trail. Kauai is known as the Hollywood of the Pacific due to its stunning natural scenery and the frequent appearances in movies and television shows. Popular filming locations on the island include Waimea Canyon and Hanalei Bay. Number 1. Capri. The glamorous island of Capri is considered a jewel by many. It's in the Mediterranean Sea off the coast of Italy and boasts rugged coastlines, chic boutiques, and stunning vistas. Capri has long been a playground for the rich and famous. The main attraction is the Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by a mesmerizing blue light. Visitors can take a boat tour to explore the cave's crystalline waters and marvel at its natural beauty. Capri has a rich history dating back to ancient times when it was a favored resort destination for Roman emperors and aristocrats. Today, visitors can explore historical sites such as the ruins of Villa Jovis and the Gardens of Augustus.